Hi everybody, I'm still here in Turkey and I'm getting ready to come home, getting ready to get on a plane and fly away, making sure that I don't sniffle or sneeze or cough because it stresses anybody out. Has made it so I'm not sniffling, which is really strange because usually I sniffle all the time. So quite frankly, this is actually working for me in a strange way. How are you today? I hope you are amazing. And today we're going to manifest, really manifest. I need you to write down a list of 20 things that you really want in your life, and we're going to do it. And before we do it, I'm going to download you with some really cool things. So you might have to watch this meditation twice, just so you have time to write down your 20 things. So would you like to know what it feels like to know that the universe is there to support you? That you can manifest great, amazing things, that you can actually conquer your fears easily and effortlessly, and that you are ready to move forward in a fearless and brave manner. Would you like to know that your body is getting stronger every day? And would you like to know that you can be happy, full of joy, full of hope, full of amazing creative ideas? And then I want you to take the time a little bit from now to write down 20 things that you want. But I also want you to know that this is limitless. I want you to pretend if you had all the money that you ever wanted, that you had that available to you. So I don't want you to create that you have tons of money. I want you to imagine you already do. I don't want you to imagine that you have to dig your way out of this energy that you're in and worried about whether you're going to eat or not. I want you to set that aside if that is what's going on in your life. I want you just to focus on being part of the energy of the Creator. And if you could create something that would really make a difference in the world, what would it be? What would you do to change the entire planet? And add that to your list of 20 things. What would you do to really make a difference? You know, would you plant 1,000 trees, 1,000,000 trees? Would you manifest a way of cleaning up the atmosphere? What would you create if you were limitless? Or maybe what would you inspire if you were limitless? So I want you to take a moment. We're going to do the meditation in just a moment. Also, we started something a while back where we actually took pictures of children and asked them what they thought different virtues meant. So if you have children and you have nothing to do, you should be asking them, what does kindness mean to you? What does courage mean to you? And get an answer from a child's perspective. It's really quite interesting. Now that we got you all focused and ready to go, we're going to go up and manifest today. So I want you to imagine energy coming up through the bottoms of your feet, moving up to the top of your head, making a beautiful ball of light. Pretend that you're in that ball of light, that you go up past the universe, through layers and layers of light, through a golden light, through a thick jelly-like substance, and into a tingly, white light. And I want you to imagine that this is the energy of the Creator of all that is. This is the energy that creates everything. And I want you to say, Creator of all that is, this is in my life now. And I want you to see what you would put into your life, knowing that you can only manifest for your life, knowing that you can actually ask for anything, but knowing that there might be a little effort attached. What would you create if you could create anything? Would you create better breathing? Would you create better water? What would you create? And I want you to imagine all of those things that you thought on your list. I got a couple of you. You're trying to manifest for other people, not yourself. You're going to manifest for yourself. You can give to the world, but everyone has their free agency. You can't make someone love you that doesn't love you. You can manifest that you find your true love. You can manifest that you are becoming the person you really want to be. Very good. Much better. I want you to visualize all of these things in your life now. I want you to say, thank you. It is done. It is done. It is done. Now I want you to be in that tingly white light as you open your eyes. Now I've left you in that tingly white light because I want your brain to stay kind of into that cool, almost theta brain wave. I don't want you to feel disconnected in any way. I want you to feel connected to the energy of all that is at all times. The more you practice, the more you feel it. We're going to take you to an expanding exercise so that you can send out energy to the world, but you can also feel the energy coming back. This will also leave you in this energy so that you can feel the trees and the earth around you, and you can actually allow yourself to actually be present in this amazing life experience. So I want you to take a deep breath in and release. I want you to imagine that you can feel everything in your body, your toes, your nose, your eyes, your ears. I want you to imagine that you're very, very present in your body. And now I want you to imagine that you, your body, the room that you're in, the planet, the universe, the layers and layers of light, the golden light, the thick jelly-like substance are all just one energy. You're not stretched, you're not uncomfortable, but you can feel you're part of all of it. And I want you to imagine that suddenly it all turns into a tingly, tingly white light, becoming pure and unadulterated thought, the energy that's created in every particle in existence and non-particles, the energy of life. And I want you to feel that you are part of this tingly white energy that is pure love, pure thought, pure wisdom. And I want you to say, Creator of all that is, there is no separateness. I am part of all that is. And as you feel this energy, I want you to see that your own personal energetic field, you can actually see the outline in this energy, and it's expanding farther and farther. And I want you to imagine that you are sending out energy of love to everything that is in this huge, amazing energy field that keeps growing and growing because it's tapped into the energy of the Creator. And that you're sending an energy of peace and calm and love and kindness, hope, laughter, joy. Now I want you to imagine that this energy goes out and out and out. And it also you can feel it very deeply within every part of your being. And I want you to say, thank you, it is done, it is done, it is done. Okay, now I want you to take a deep breath in and open your eyes. I'd like to download you that you know how to live without creating extra fear, without creating panic, and without buying into the group consciousness of fear. That you know how to live and live well and enjoy every moment of life. That you know how to manifest the needs in your life. That you know how to manifest the moments that are going to always be remembered. Would you like to know what it feels like to be able to walk knowing that you can be connected to the energy of the Creator, and knowing that you can bring this energy to all around you? Very good. Now take a deep breath in, open your eyes. Pretty soon I'll be coming to you, maybe from the States, Chicago, maybe Salt Lake, depending on where we can actually make the next video. And I am on my way home pretty soon, so I'm pretty excited. So from all of us to all of you, we love you. Have a wonderful day. Keep up with those ideas. Keep up with just keeping the space.